Okay, today we have a Royal Sabre typewriter. This thing is very cool looking. Kind of looks or reminds me of, I guess, a Safari of some sort. Just to go over a little bit of this, it is a manual, not an electric. It has, you have to pop this thing off to get into where all this stuff is. Right now, it has a little bit of an older ribbon in it, so you might need to replace that at some point. It's kind of light right now. Unfortunately, I don't have any extra currently right now to throw in with this typewriter, but and bizarre enough, it's got a weird ribbon in it to where the inside rotates, but not the actual, it's just bizarre. It's all like enclosed. Anyways, never seen anything like that. But anyways, still works fine. Everything, here's your margin release, or not margin release, your, I guess, carriage release over on this side. Got another one on this side. You can rotate with this, and then if you push in the button here, you can do it to where it doesn't have any clicks. The line spacings right here, it only has one or two, so one space, one space, one space, two spaces here. Looks like, I'm not sure how all the column and margin work on this thing, to be honest. I believe it's, I don't know, you'd have to probably get a different YouTube channel checking that out. Here is, so I'm not sure, it says margin or magic margin on the side, also magic column set and column clear. I don't know how any of that works, to be honest. Column seems to be doing that. Margin select. I have no clue, to be honest. So somebody else out there is probably going to figure that out. Here's your caps. Here's your caps lock. Spacebar, obviously. Things of that sort. So let's do a little typeset real quick. This is your paper release to where if you need to move it around, go ahead and do that. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's to where it won't have clicking as well. You can go to anywhere in the space. That's what that is. Let's go to one setting. Here's obviously your line space down. All right, I'm gonna go through all the letters, or everything basically. Yeah. Okay, that's without caps. Now I'm going to do caps lock. Oops. Okay, so I'll take pictures of that and put it in the Etsy, but everything looks fine. It's a little bit light because the ribbon needs to be replaced. This is your light, medium, or heavy for how hard you have to type. Here is your red setting, which does work, and go down to black. And then your stencil, which we don't really need stencil anymore. It's kind of old school. So yeah, that is the Royal Sabre. It is a cool typewriter and definitely a fun one to get started with. I like it. I was doing that on, what's it called? Stencil. Yeah, that's that. I mean, it's kind of a finger poking one. It's not the easiest to type on, but it's not the hardest either. So if you have strong fingers, piano player, then go for it. I use electric, so my fingers are soft. I'm a softie. But this would be fun for small letters, poetry, things of that sort. Anyways, if you have any questions, comment below, and I hope you guys have a good day and a good Christmas. Peace.